Okay, we're now live on YouTube, so we can say wildly inappropriate things and it'll be recorded. Okay. Let's see. Miss Trish is still conferring. Debbie? Debbie?
Yes, Judge. Sorry,
Can you
I'm on
go in breakout room 6 and
the
ask
phone.
him to speed it up, that we have some please ready to go? Please?
Okay. Judge, I spoke with Valverde on the phone. She knows we
Okay.
need the ADA.
Okay, I think we have the prosecutor. We're ready on the plea. Who's the plea that we're ready on, please? Debbie? Okay, well, let me just ask you, on the screen, bench number 2, what's your name,
It's
sir?
Castillo, Judge. Castillo.
Castillo? Nico
Yes.
Castillo. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me pull up his paperwork. Okay, I got him on my screen. Now I need to find him on my. Mr. Castillo's got 2 cases.
That's correct.
He's pleading on 116. What's happening on 113?
He's pleading on both cases.
Pleading on both cases. Okay, and they're both. Well, we'll do the 16 anyway because it's an A. All right. Okay, sir. Can you do me a favor and raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir. I see the screen.
Is your name Nico Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Nico Castillo who in this cause number 2026 CC 000116 who's charged with the offense of evading arrest?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, evading arrest is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to, and let me back up a minute. Are you also the same Nico Castillo who in cause number 2026 CC 000113, when that other cause number is charged with the offense of theft of property of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
That case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in that case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with in that case and what the possible punishment could be in that case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so that we're clear. You have 2 cases. One's a Class A, one's a Class B. That?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document on my screen that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have filed in both cases. You've signed it in both cases. So is your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, which you have filed in both cases. You have signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over these documents with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did your attorney explain them to you?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
And do you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You filed this in both cases. You signed it in both cases, and so did your attorney. When you signed these documents, what you did was did was tell me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney gets a plea bargain agreement for me, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand that.
So then, in cause number 2026 CC 000116, where you're charged with evading arrest, in that case, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And in your other case number, the theft case, the Class B theft, in cause number 2026 CC 00113, to the offense of theft as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay. 1 minute, please. You understand that on the pleas of no contest that the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, Your Honor, nobody has forced me.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides those, apart from those, if someone promises something in order to get you to do this,
No, Your Honor.
are you doing these pleas of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Are there plea bargains? Can I ask the state to please decide if there are?
Yes, Your Honor, this is the same for both cases, a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and he presently has 28 days.
Okay, Mr. Butler, I'm going to judgment set these cases. Do you agree to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Castillo, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Now, hold on. I have to do your other case. So give me 1 minute, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have to do the same thing on the computer on the other case, or else you get stuck in jail. All right, now let me find Nico Castillo. Cole. Oh, here we go. Right there. In your other case, the theft case, which is cause number 2026 CC 000113, where you pled no contest, in that case, the court finds you guilty in that case as well. I follow the plea bargain in that case as well. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judge is satisfied. Mr. Butler, do you know if these are the only cases holding your client?
As far as I know, they are.
If these are the only cases holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Thank you,
Good
Your
luck.
Honor.
Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case, and Mr. Butler, thank you. You can be excused.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, next would be Albert Alvear.
Okay, let me find him. Okay, he's on my front page of my docket.
Judge, can I interrupt for a minute?
Yes.
I believe Attorney Ross may have an announcement to make on his client.
Yeah,
Mr. Ross? Mr. Ross?
morning. I have filed a motion for psych eval on Mr. Jose Puente.
Okay.
I'm gonna call
It's gonna be
ACOG and get his case manager's phone number. Let her know that he's in.
okay. So it's basically reset for Psychobel, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You can be excused then. Appreciate it.
No problem. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, now Alviad is the next one.
Yes, sir. Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. Alviad right there. Mr. Alviad, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Is your name Albert Alviad?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Your
the
Honor.
same Alviad with this cause number 2025 CC 008447, who is charged with the offense of terroristic threats?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you could be okay. This is a Class B misdemeanor. Am I right, Ms. Trish?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, then it's mismarked here, so I'm gonna. Debbie, someone needs to talk to these people about getting these things to align. They're just so confusing that nobody can figure out which one to do. But this is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
On my screen now, I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this
Yes, Your
document,
Honor.
hold on, sir. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you
Yes, Your
understand
Honor.
this?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead?
No
Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that this court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, if somebody promises something in order to get you to do this,
No, Your Honor.
are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it? There is.
There is, Your Honor, but before I recite it, I wanted to tell the court that I looked up this charge to verify it is a B.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. And so the agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 180 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and he does presently have way more than 180 days.
Okay, so it's going to be a judgment satisfied case. Do you agree to this, Ms. Beal?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Oh, yes, I do.
Okay, and do you agree to this, Mr. Alviado?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And Mr. Alviado, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 180 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money direct concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know, Ms. Beal, if this is the only case holding your client now?
I believe it is. He had a couple of felonies, I think, and I think he's on probation or deferred adjudication for the felonies. I was not the attorney on those.
He's
Okay.
on felony probation, Your Honor. So you're still on probation, Mr. Alvear.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't
Right.
forget to call your officer when you get out, okay?
I will. Call him.
Okay, good.
I won't
Okay.
forget.
Okay, so then, if this is the only case holding you, you should be released sometime today, okay? Good luck to
Yes.
you.
Thank you, Your
Tell the,
Honor.
bailiffs that we're finishing your case. And Phyllis, good to see you. You can be
Good,
excused.
good to see you, Judge. Good to see all of you. Have a good day.
You too.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Can you ask about his attorney real quick?
I need to confer with Mr. Darling.
Okay. Can we, Ms. Calderola has been patiently waiting. She's got one case. Can we do her plea first, though, Ms.?
Absolutely.
Okay. And Ms. Calderola, what is your client's name?
Good morning. My client's name's Andre Clark. There he is.
Okay, Andre Clark. I'm pulling up his paperwork on my screen. I have to find him on my paper document. Oh, here we go. Okay. And then after this, the district attorney will be allowed to confer. All right, Mr. Clark, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Is your name? Oh, let me share your screen. Excuse me. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Andre Clark?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Andre Clark with this cause number 2025 CC 018175, who's charged with the offense of failure to ID as a Class B misdemeanor? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Where a Class B misdemeanor, it is possible that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on. Let me sign this document.
Mhm.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of failure to identify, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that this court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain, that's what a lawyer got for you. Besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and he presently has 7 days.
Okay. I'm not going to judge Ms. Sathy's case, Ms. Calderola. He still has more time to do. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I think he understands, Judge. I thought he had 15 days, but you say he has 7?
That's what they're telling me.
Okay.
Well, let me ask the clerk, Jordan, what is you showing on your computer? Hello, Jordan.
Sorry, Judge. So I'd have to look it up really quickly. I don't have the.
Please.
Debbie, do you happen to know?
Let me check real quick. Sorry, Judge, I'm having problems sending paperwork, so that's why I'm
Okay,
being delayed here. Let me see.
That's all
Who
right.
is this on, Clark?
Andre Clark.
Clark,
Okay.
yes.
And y'all wanting the actual jail days?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah, this system is just takes forever. Oh, it's coming.
Unless he has more than half of the time in, I don't judge him set these things.
Yeah, I understand, Your Honor. I thought he did. That's why I'm
Okay.
trying to confirm it. Andre, you understand you'll have to do the remaining time until you have half. Would that be a correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry,
And
it's
he's-
loading.
Judge, I'm showing 9 days total confined, 18 credit.
Okay. So he doesn't have the time in. He'll have to do more time. You
Okay.
agree to this plea bargain, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And you do too, Ms. Calderola?
Yes, Your Honor. How many days did he have in? I didn't hear that. Was it 9?
9. It was 9.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so you'd have to
So
do
then-
6 more days?
Well, that's up to the jail.
Okay, that's up to usually in half.
Usually
Okay,
it runs that way, but I can't promise that.
okay.
So then on your plea no contest, sir, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. You will still have time to do in this case. Ms. Calderola, thank you. You can be excused.
Thank you very much. Good luck, Andre.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Ms. Trish needs to confer with some attorneys.
Yes, Attorney Darling is in the breakout room 6. Judge, I have an update on the docket.
Okay,
Francine Medina, we're going to recall that for tomorrow.
okay,
And Obear on the 3rd page, there's no agreement. Send that one back.
Colbert on the 3rd page, no agreement. Sent that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Trish is out of the breakout room. Mr. Darling, what's happening with you and your client?
Your Honor, we're in agreement, about the two cases, for Mr. Cole.
Okay, so you still have an agreement. Okay, who's next on the
David Cole.
David Cole? So, Mr.
Yes,
Cole,
Judge.
is he going to plead on both cases then, Mr. Darling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am looking at my paperwork on my screen. I only see one set of paperwork from Mr. Cole, and that's on the 6303 case. I don't see anything on the 7237 case. Did you do paperwork on that?
I thought we did, Judge. I thought there was two sets, but
Let
if
me
not,
make sure I'm seeing this correctly. I'll double check one more time. Cole. Yeah, I only see one set of paperwork. So do you need to go back?
We're checking over here. Cole, David? Yes.
please, yes.
So then,
Judge, do you want me to put him back in the breakout room?
yes, you need to. Do you need more paperwork then, Mr. Darling?
Well, I guess so, Judge. I'm sorry. I thought we had done two sets, so I guess not.
So then, can you send him another set of the paperwork?
Yes, Judge. I'll send a.
Send him a reminder. Okay. So then, in the meantime, we don't have Mr. Cole that's ready. So the next one that's ready is Pray.
He's at the annex. He's already.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. He's right there. He's at the annex.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Prey, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Yeah, I was told by one of the COs. I asked him if I was indicted yet.
Okay. Let me pull up Mr. Pray's paperwork.
Yeah.
It's an MTR, Your Honor. He's on defer.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Prey, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand
What's the
down.
password that's wrong?
I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is your name Christian Prey?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Christian Prey who in this cause number 2025 CC 008221, who is currently on deferred adjudication for the offense of unlawful carrying a weapon? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
There has been a motion to revoke your probation and to adjudicate you guilty filed in your case that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I don't think so. I mean,
I have on my
haven't even met
screen
my
now.
lawyer. I wrote her a letter, but she
I
hasn't
don't
sent
know
me.
who's saying that. Okay. I have on my screen now a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Revoke. Excuse me. Defendant's
Yeah,
Consent
it's
to Video
any
Conference. When you signed this, you
like
told me
MLISS Christian.
that it was okay to do this by video.
Melissa Christian.
Right?
Or something?
Yes, sir.
All right. I have on my screen now a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document,
No.
what you did in effect was you told me that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty, that you have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Deputy
Okay.
West.
So the reason you're here is that there's been a motion to revoke your probation. Can I ask the district attorney,
2000.
please read the alleged violation?
Yes.
We're proceeding on a violation of condition number 12A, that on or about the 7th day of July, 2025, Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Christian Elric Prey, did then and there fail to register for, attend a gun safety course with the approved agency in violation of condition number
No, I'm
12A.
from Virginia.
And to that allegation, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Around like,
Besides the plea bargain you
They-
already got for you. Besides that, anyone
I
promised
say
you something
March.
or to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Like,
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, we are waiving all the additional alleged violations. And our agreement is for
at my apartment
$0
was my.
fine.
girlfriend
We're asking the
right?
court to enter an adjudication of guilt, Your Honor, and then
Okay.
assess a $0 fine plus court costs. 174 days in Bear County Jail, credit for
My
time
family's,
served.
I have my
Time
dad
money
in
running
Virginia, but I
concurrently.
don't
Defendant
talk to
does
him.
have at least
And
174
My mom
days.
lives in Kansas.
Okay. So then, is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Garcia?
It is, Your Judge.
No,
You agree to this, Mr. Prey?
not legally.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Prey, the court accepts your plea true to the motion to revoke your probation.
My
is revoked.
girlfriend, I call her my
You are
wife.
hereby
but we're
adjudicated
not
guilty of the
married.
underlying
Right.
offense of unlawful carrying a weapon. I
6/22.
I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 174 days in the Bear
Yeah.
County Jail. I give you
Yes.
credit for time served. Time and money
October
from current, the
6th.
judgment is
I
satisfied.
know.
Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Garcia?
Yes.
I believe it is, Judge.
Okay. If this is the only case
Yeah, and
holding
then we
you,
have
sir,
a son on the way.
sometime today, okay? Tell the deputies
She
that
will
we're.
be 2 March 12th.
And Mr. Garcia, thank you. You can be excused as well.
Mr.
Thank you,
Prey, Mr. Prey, real quick, you're still on felony probation. So
Yes, ma'am.
when you get out, contact Mr. Alva, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay,
Yeah.
good luck.
She's currently
Thank you.
pregnant with me.
Okay, now I'm about to mute Mr. Prey's box because there's a lot of overload noise coming in from it. All right. Okay, so then. What do we have next? Mr. Cole still conferring. Okay. We're waiting on Robert Behrens, James Milan.
I can go, right?
Yes, Mr. Prey, you're free to go. Sorry,
Miss
Judge.
Angela Blake,
Okay. Okay, Angela Blake is coming in, so we can go over the bond docket while we're waiting on those other two attorneys. And we're waiting on Mr. Cole. I'm gonna let Ms. Blake in. Ms. Blake is in. All right, do we have someone from pretrial here?
no, Judge, I was trying to get her on now, but Judge, I have on Garcia Heidel. His attorney that's hired said that he withdrew yesterday and the judge signed on it from County Court 4.
Okay.
Miss Trish, do you have an offer on that case?
I'm not sure if the prosecutor made the attorney an offer, but I am prepared to make one if not.
Okay.
Okay, but if we just have a brand new attorney, then that's have to sign a waiver of 10-day preparation, right?
Judge, I have Miss Blake here. Can I assign Attorney Blake to the case?
Yeah, which case is it now?
It's
Who's
on
it
page
pending?
2 at the top. Garcia, Heidel,
Garcia.
Jose Gilberto.
Okay,
And,
we'll have to
and
put
he-
on the record that he's waiving his attorney's preparation time in this case, okay?
and he does speak English.
Okay, so Ms. Blake, you'll be assigned on that one. Congratulations. You're winner of the
Yes. Thank you, Miss.
the grand
Thank you, Angela.
lottery for attorney appointments today. I still, if you don't mind, before we confer with that guy, can I get pretrial on here? Can we go over the
Pretrial is on here, Judge.
I'm on.
Okay, Who is it? It's Sonia.
Yes.
On my paper docket for the bond dockets, I have listed as number one Jess Agnew.
Correct.
Is that correct? Okay. Is Jess Agnew going to be here?
No, released on bond.
Bond. Okay. What about number two?
Should be here.
Okay. Number three.
Should be here as well.
Number four.
Should be here.
5.
Not handled. Got a bond increase.
Not handled. Number 6.
Should be here.
Number 7.
Not handled.
Not handled. Number 8.
8, 9, and 10 should all be here.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ms. Blake, you are free to go and confer with that guy that you just got appointed to today. Thank you for doing that, by the way. That's Jose Garcia Haro. Hopefully he's an English speaker because he has those when they have those hyphenated last names, sometimes they're not. But check on it. Okay?
Okay. Sonia.
Yes, Deborah. Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, number 7, he's at the hospital.
Well, it was not handled. Anyway.
He's not handled.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Blake, I'm still trying to send you that paperwork. I'm having really trouble with this Adobe this morning.
Okay.
Give me a few minutes. Do you want to speak with the client now? Or?
Yes, please.
Okay. Oh, sorry. As soon as we get a breakout room available.
Okay.
Okay, I have paperwork on my screen for Michael Moreno. Mr. Burns, are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Can we get Mr. Michael Moreno on the camera, please? Hey, Mr. Moreno, can you raise your right hand for me? How about your other right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? I can't hear you. You're muted. Can you ask the deputies to unmute your
Yes, Judge, they're coming.
Okay, yeah, we have sound now. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Michael Moreno?
Yes.
Are you the same Michael Moreno who in this cause number 2025 CC 015696 who's charged with the offense of reckless driving? Really? Can we change that, Jordan, to show that it's reckless driving, not reckless driving?
Yes, sir.
Did I type that wrong? Oops.
Okay.
Sorry, Judge. That was an auto spell, I guess. Auto correct.
Reckless driving, I think, is a hybrid case that's punishable by anywhere from 0 to 30 days in jail and a fine anywhere from 0 to, I think, $200. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Do you understand that range of punishment in your case, Mr. Moreno?
Yes, Your Honor.
On my screen now is a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of reckless driving, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that this court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you
Yes, Your
understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 16, that is 16 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. Defendant presently is showing on my docket as having 6 days.
Okay. Bobby's going to have a couple more days to do because I only judgment sat him unless I have at least half the time in.
Okay. That don't come with the 3-for-1.
Whatever the jail gives him credit for, that's up to the jail. But I am not going to order a judgment satisfied on it. It will have to be up to the jail to see whether or not it's satisfied.
If you're working trustee, then you should get 3-for-1, but that's totally up to the sheriff. You understand?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So do you still want to do this, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Then, Mr. Burns, you agree to this plea bargain as well?
Yes, Judge.
Then the court, having heard you plead no contest, sir, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I filed the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 16 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served. Time and money run current. It will be up to the jail to decide when your judgment is satisfied. Good luck to you, sir.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
And Bob, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thanks.
Reckless driving. I love that charge. Does that mean you have freckles when you drive, or you don't have freckles when you drive? I'm not sure. Oh, well, anyway. Remember, we're live on YouTube. Can't say any bad freckles jokes. Okay. Okay, so we're still waiting on Ms. Blake to confer with her client and Mr. Darling, correct? Mr. Darling, I'm still unsure one set of paperwork on here. So.
Judge, I have an interpreter logging on for Garcia Jairo.
Okay. Spanish speaker.
And Ms. Blake is the attorney of the day.
Yes, did you get my message?
Yes, I did. An interpreter's logging on. Sorry
Okay.
about that.
Not a problem. He
Yeah,
speaks really good English, but he just doesn't seem to understand what exactly I'm asking. So
Oh, okay.
his
Oh, yeah, my
English is
message.
good, but just not to me, not sufficient.
Right.
Or he just can't hear me.
Okay.
Oh,
We'll
okay.
find out.
We're gonna get an interpreter so that
In the meantime, Mr. Darling is still working on his case, so. And we're waiting on an interpreter. Can we do the bond cases, or is it premature of me to ask that? Probably, because Miss Blake went back into the breakout room. So never mind. Billy,
Yes, Judge.
why don't you go into that breakout room, ask Miss Blake to come out? Let's take care of the bond cases.
Okay.
Because we're still waiting on the interpreter, correct?
Stand right here.
Yes.
Yeah. So in the meantime, I'm going to take us off of the live stream.